I have these 2 wood crates. I got these from my Dollar Tree. And I'm going to remove the sticker off the bottom. Using some Wise Owl Snow Owl, I'm going to paint the front and the sides of the wood crate. You can give this 2 coats for better coverage. And you do not need to paint the backside. I have these wood houses. I got them in a pack of 4 from Target. They were $5 for all 4. And I'm going to take 2 of them. One's short and wide and one's tall and skinny. And I'm going to paint both of those using the Wise Owl Snow Owl as well. Now it has a little metal chimney on them, and I just took a baby wipe to wipe any paint that I got on those off. And then I'm going to paint the bottom of my wood crate as well. And I'm going to allow everything to fully dry. I got this natural weathered wood bundle from Hobby Lobby. They came 2 pieces in a pack. They're 5.5 by 48 inches long. And I cut mine to 16 inches. I have 2 pieces here. And if you have just one large 11 by 16 inch piece of wood, you do not have to do this step because it does kind of look a little silly. But I'm using some Elmer's wood glue and placing some popsicle sticks on the back side. Then I have another piece of scrap wood that's a little thicker. I'm going to place at the top. Now, the wood is so thin that I could not attach a hanger without it going through the other side. So I added this thicker piece of wood to the top and bottom so I could add a hanger, and that way it could lay even against the wall. So yes, this does kind of look silly, but it is one way to connect your 2 pieces, and it's the back side so no one will see it. I'm going to allow that to fully dry. I went back to my wood crates, and there are 2 engraved lines on the front, and I'm just filling those in with some Wise Owl chocolate paint. I have a very small art brush, and I'm just going in that line. And it's okay if you don't stay directly in the engraved area. You can always take a little sandpaper, and it will clean it up. And I did that so I had the 2 pinstripes on the front of the board filled in with the chocolate. I got these galvanized numbers from the Dollar Tree. They came in a pack of 10 numbers, 0 to 9. And I'm going to use the numbers 1 and 8. And I'm going to glue them on the front of my house. Now my house number is 18, so I have 2 wood houses. I'm going to put the 1 on the one house and the 8 on the second house, and I'm attaching that with some E6000. I went back to my board that is now fully dry, and I'm going to attach the 2 wood crates that I got from Dollar Tree to the bottom front. And I'm gluing that down with some Elmer's wood glue. I'm going to take my first house and place it on the left side. And my second house I'm going to place on the right side, just a little lower. I want them kind of staggered. I have my dry foam. You can get this pretty much from any craft store. And I'm going to have a bunch of succulents. And I'm just going to fill the dry foam with succulents. I get these succulents from Dollar Tree. You can usually find them year-round. Or you can also grab some of the fancier ones at Hobby Lobby as well. And I just rearranged them until I was happy with how they looked. And then you place the dry foam back in your wood crates. And now you have this very easy, fun house number hanging that you could put on your front porch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.